Again? A good day. We're gonna have a good day.
Good day.
We're gonna have a very good day. Kira, we're gonna have a very good day. Are we gonna have a are we gonna have a very good day? We're gonna have a very good day, aren't we, Kira? Kira, very good day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Karen.
Karen.
Day.
Say we're gonna have a very good day. You say have a very good day. I'll say we're gonna have a very good day. Karen, say have a very good day. Say I'm gonna have a very good day, or else I'm talking about a very good day. Days? Where the hell's a big day? Say I'm gonna have a good day. Rachel, say I'm gonna have a good day. I'll stop staring at you, Rachel, because I've been staring at you all evening. How do you know you've been asleep, sleepyhead? Where's your face? Hey, you with the face! I can't find it. No. Oh, I found your feet. I found it.
Let's play Louise.
Where's Kira's head? Have a very good day. Here we go. Very good. We're having
First
a
day.
very, very good day.
A very good day.
We're having a very good day.
A very, very good day.
Karen, say we're gonna have a very good day.